Hi, my name is Itumbe Godlove, and in this video, I'm going to be walking you through on how to make money just by reading emails. Happy New Year to all my subscribers, since this is the first video I'm creating since 2022 started. Reason being, I was down with typhoid fever for Africans who know about typhoid. So again, I'm a content creator, a digital marketer, a graphics designer. I live in Cameroon. Without any further ado, let's dive straight into the video. Alright, so the website we're going to be talking about today is paidtoreademail.com. The link is on the description below. So you can click directly on it and you fall on the website. This is the homepage of the website, as you can see in front of you, where you have the sign up and sign in. Okay, for teaching purpose, I'm going to sign up with another email address, even though I'm already inside this website. So it is very, very important and essential for you to follow this video to the end so as to know how to go about to be able to get these emails. And one good thing about this platform is that you can read the emails on your phone as well as on your laptop or be desktop. So it is something flexible, and you get emails depending on your personal schedule, as we are going to see in a minute from now. So you look up here, what you want to see is sign up and sign in. Now we want to sign up. So I'm going to pick I'm a male. They'll ask my first name, which I give my first name and my password, my email, pardon. Then password, I'm just going to put a random password there. Sign up. It will now prompt you to the real sign up section. Here, you want to fill in your details, and you have already put in your email and password, so you just have to fill in your last name, pick your zip code. For me it's 237. Since I'm a Cameroonian, you click on I've read and agree to the terms and conditions, which if you have time later on you need to read to ensure they don't ban you from the platform. And you think I'm not a robot. Now sign me up. I'll just save this. Now if you take note, I've been signed up and they say thank you, your account activated. Thank you, your paid to read emails is now activated. $3 sign up bonus has been credited to your account. If you look here, this is the $3. So they will say ensure that to ensure that you receive all emails from us, please whitelist our email at your email provider. So this is the most important section that you don't have to skip. You want to go to your mailbox. This is it. I'll click on the email sent to me by them. Now I'll click to activate my account. My account has been activated successfully. What I want to do now is to go back to this email to ensure that I don't lose any of these emails by them. Follow keenly what you are to do. I'll go to these three dots at the side of my Gmail. That is why it is very essential to use Gmail. For those who use other emails, I don't know how they will go about this. You go down to filter messages like this, you select. Now on filter messages like this, click on create filter. In create filter, tick star it, go down to never send it to spam, always mark it as important, then category, let it be primary. So once as you've select all these things that I've just selected, you click on create filter. Now you see down here your filter was created. What happens is that whenever whenever they send you an email that is exactly like this, it will always be marked as important. You see, it has been started and it will always be marked as important, and it will not go to your spam section. so as for you not to lose emails, because the more emails you read, the more you earn. Now, the last two things I want to show you on the website, if we go back there, after you must have signed up, you just be patient for like 2 to 3 hours, you start receiving emails. Now, on the website, in their homepage, you see a lot of offers there. I will not talk about them. I want to go to what is most essential, which is email. You have to go to your account, your profile. Now, in account and profile, what you want to make sure you add there is your PayPal email. So you're going to add your PayPal email here. I will put my PayPal email and my phone number. Then you update your profile. All right, I'll still go to my account, profile, ensure it has been updated. Then I want to go down now. Here you have email subscription. Here is how you schedule your email subscription. So email subscription, select the days of the week that you want to receive emails. If you look for me, I ticked from Monday to Sunday. The more emails you receive, the more money you make. So to me, you can leave it like this. But for those who have tight schedules that they cannot read emails every day, you can set it to your advantage. But know the more the days you have, the more money you make. Now, the last thing I want to show you on this platform is their referral section. Referral section is where you can refer this website to other friends and family. When they sign up like you and they read emails, you will be credited 50% of their earning. So if you click on referral banner, here you see your referral code. If you have maybe a website of your own, your personal website that you want to use their banners, these are the banner sizes, and so on and so forth. So that is all about this. You can go to other offers like service and some other offers, but this was the main thing I wanted to teach you people. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel, as I'll be coming up with more videos like this on how to make money online. Thank you and see you in the next video.